Zap.
Welcome to the Speed Force, little heroes. I'm Lightning Speed Boy, and we're going to get super strong and super fast today. Start by standing tall, feet together, hands touching above your head. You are a sharp, powerful lightning bolt. Reach for the clouds. Take a quick breath in and out. Feel the electricity in your fingertips. Hold it steady, focus your eyes. Great job. Now, step 1 foot forward and bend that knee. This is the speed starter. We're at the starting line, getting ready to zoom across the city. Reach your hands up high. Feel those leg muscles getting ready for a turbo boost. Take a deep breath. Stay focused on the finish line. You are powerful. You are fast. Hold it right there. Even the fastest heroes need to stay balanced. Try this high voltage balance. Put 1 foot on your leg and bring your hands to your heart. Imagine you're balancing on a thin electric wire high above the streets. Focus your eyes on one spot so you don't wobble. Deep breath in and out. You're training your brain to be as sharp as a lightning strike. Stay still. Time to charge up the engines. Bend your knees and sit back into a turbo crouch. Imagine you're sitting in the world's fastest race car. Reach your arms out front. Hold that steering wheel tight. Ooh, can you feel your leg muscles buzzing? That's the power building up. Keep your chest high and breathe deep. You are a speed machine. Stay low, stay strong, almost there. Now let's ground all that energy. Lift your hips high for the ground charge. Push your hands into the floor and stretch your back. We're sending extra power into the ground to keep the city's lights bright. Pedal your feet, stretch those fast-running legs. Take a big breath. You are flexible and supercharged. Keep those hips high, hold it, and relax. All right, speedsters, drop down and hold it. This is the sonic plank. Keep your body straight as an arrow. We are building a super strong core, so we can run even faster. Imagine you're a bridge made of solid energy. Don't let your tummy dip. Keep that hero power locked in. Take a quick breath, hold it steady. You're as solid as a rock. Now, jump those feet wide and stretch your arms out for the zap-zag lunge. Look over your front hand. We're ready to zig and zag through the city streets. Feel the strength in your legs. They're like powerful engines. Breathe in. Feel the wind rushing past you. You are focused, you are fast, and you are fearless. Hold it right there. Keep that gaze sharp. 30 seconds. Let's create a spark. Reach one hand down and the other way up to the sky for the electric triangle. Look up at your thumb. This pose stretches our sides so we can take those sharp corners at top speed. Imagine you're holding a battery of pure lightning in your top hand. Breathe deep, feel the stretch. You're doing awesome. Stay still like a statue. Time to look up at the finish line. Lay on your tummy and push your chest up for the turbo Cobra. Stretch your neck long. We're checking the sky for any obstacles. Take a deep breath in and out. This keeps our back strong for all those hero flips. You are glowing with energy. Hold it high, keep those shoulders down. You're a natural. Just a few more seconds. Sit down fast, zip. This is the speed zip sit. Keep your back as straight as a bolt of lightning. Push your hands into the floor and lift your head high. This is how we recharge our batteries for the next round. Take a big hero breath in and out. You are calm, but ready to move in a flash.
Stay tall, stay focused. Time to take off.
Lean forward and lift one leg back for the flying speedster. Stretch your arms out front like you're breaking the sound barrier. Balance is key when you're moving this fast. If you wobble, just engage your supercore. Deep breath in. Imagine the city lights blurring beneath you. You are graceful. You are fast. Hold it steady. His city needs a fast lane bridge. Lay on your back and lift your hips high for the turbo power bridge. We're creating a shortcut for the rescue vehicles. Press your heels down. Feel the spark in your legs. Breathe in and out. You are a hero people can count on. Keep those hips high. Don't let the power drop.
Quick.
Tuck into a fast fold recharge. Hug your knees tight to your chest. This is how we store all that lightning energy in our core. Roll a little bit left and right. It's like a quick charge for your back muscles. Take a deep breath in and out. Even the fastest boy in the world needs a 30-second recharge. Stay tucked, stay powerful. Sit up and let's do a bolt twist lookout. Cross one leg and twist your body to look behind you. We need to make sure no villains are following us. Look as far back as you can. Keep your spine tall and straight like a radio tower. Take a big breath. Feel the stretch. You're a master of awareness. Keep twisting gently. Hold it. Sit down with your legs straight and reach for your toes in the quiet runner. We're stretching out our fast-running legs so they stay flexible and ready. Imagine you're a lightning bolt resting on a soft cloud. Breathe in, and as you breathe out, fold a little deeper. You've done a lot of work today. Let your body relax. Tuck your knees in and rest your forehead on the floor for safe harbor. This is where Lightning Speed Boy goes to hide his energy from the radar. You are completely safe and quiet. Feel your back relax after all those high-speed moves. Take a deep, slow breath and let it all go. You are a peaceful hero. Lay on your back and lift your legs straight up to the sky for gravity recharge. All the speed energy is flowing back into your heart to make it stronger. Keep your legs as still as a statue. Close your eyes for a moment and feel the tingle in your feet. You are doing a fantastic job. Just stay still and let the power refill. Even a speedster loves to have a little fun. Grab your feet and rock side to side like a happy speedster rock. This is our victory dance. Give your back a nice, soft massage against the floor. You've been so brave and incredibly fast today. Smile big, take a deep breath in and let out a happy sigh. You did it. Keep rocking. Our mission is successfully finished. Lay completely flat and still in the invisible hero pose. Don't move a single muscle. Even your hair is still now. You saved the city with your quick body and strong mind. Listen to your heartbeat. It's calm and steady. You are a true superhero. Just relax and be proud of yourself. 30 seconds of pure, peaceful rest. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe now to follow the next yoga exercises.